Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartwatch Apple Watch Ultra in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Apple has announced a flagship smartwatch aimed at professional athletes. The novelty is called the Apple Watch Ultra. The watch has a 49mm titanium case. The display is framed by a special frame that protects it from damage, and a sapphire crystal is installed on top. The Apple Watch Ultra also features a larger digital crown, an additional speaker, and a new programmable action button. The manufacturer claims that the buttons are comfortable to use when wearing gloves. Apple Watch Ultra offers users special watch faces and new metrics. For more accurate positioning in large cities, an updated GPS navigation module with support for the L1 plus L5 standard is provided. The wearable gadget can withstand immersion underwater to a depth of 100 meters. During the dive, the watch can measure the water temperature, display the bottom topography and the route. Also declared compliance with the N13319 standard, which will delight fans of scuba diving. Apple Watch Ultra can work 36 hours without recharging, which competitors cannot boast of. But there is a special mode. When activated, the watch will need to be infected only twice a month. Another feature of the novelty was the siren, which should be heard at a distance of up to 190 meters. Also, the watch can take an ECG and determine the level of blood oxygen saturation. The Apple Watch Ultra was priced at $799 before taxes. The watch supports cellular communication. Sales will start on September 23rd. This concludes the review. Bye bye.